Hey there, animators.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the tools and techniques that bring your characters to life. Today, we've got something super exciting to share. Cascader's brand new video mocap feature. Not only will we explain what it is, but we'll also show you what it can do, offer some practical tips, and give you a sneak peek into how you can start using it today. Ready? Let's jump in. So, what exactly is video mocap? Well, motion capture, or mocap for short, is a way to capture real-life movement and use it to animate your characters. Cascader's video mocap feature lets you import images or videos directly into the software. It analyzes the visuals, automatically detects the poses of the people in the footage, and then applies those poses to your 3D characters. Pretty cool, right? It's like having a motion capture studio right on your computer, and it's perfect for creating more natural, fluid animations. Now you might be thinking, why should I care about this feature? Great question. If you've ever struggled with animations that felt stiff or unnatural, you'll love this tool. By using real-world movement as your guide, you can add a whole new level of realism to your projects. Plus, it's a massive time saver. Why spend hours tweaking a pose when Cascader can get you halfway there in seconds? Let me show you how easy it is to get started with video mocap in Cascader. Step 1. Import your video or image. Just drag and drop it into Cascader. Cascader will analyze the footage and automatically detect the poses. Step 3. Apply the poses to your character before adjust and refine them as needed. And that's it. In just 3 steps, you've got motion capture right at your fingertips. And that's your introduction to video mocap in Cascader. Whether you're an experienced animator or just starting out, this feature is a game changer for taking your animations to the next level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks like this. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know how you plan to use video mocap in your projects. Until next time, keep animating and creating awesome stuff.